Okay, today we're going to talk about door panels, and we're going to take these off, and I'm actually going to recolor these, and because once they get a certain amount of faded, there's no getting them back. So it's just a matter of taking these apart, taking these off, and cleaning them and recoloring them and making them look like new. Now these are all intact. There's nothing broken. There's no ends gone. It's sat in the field long enough though, because it's got some sun damage up here like normal, but it isn't anything that can't be fixed. And like the door pads are in pretty good shape. Handles are good. Locks are good. There's no breaks. It's nice and solid. It's actually kind of still a little supple. That's a good word. But we're going to take this apart. So hey, if you're here right now, smash that like button. Like, share, and subscribe. First thing we are going to do is we're actually going to take the door lock and we'll repurpose these. All right. And then it's a matter of just getting rid of these screws that hold everything together. There's one here and there's 5 on the bottom. I love this little thing. I've had this forever. Black & Decker driver, great. And there's 2 here inside the door handle itself. All right. Once you have that off, once you have the screws off, you got to take this off. And the easiest way to do that, and we're going to roll the window down anyways, so that it's easy to take, because this clips in here. All right. You're going to need one of these. Old school, baby. And basically, these are just held on with a C-clip onto the shaft. So you're just going to wiggle this underneath and push that ring off just like that. And that's what that little tool does. Slick as you go. And then there you go. You got your little gasket on there. Then you have one more screw here on behind that rest. Still got the plastic on. Still has the glue on it. All right. Yep. There we go. She got a little. They do have a couple of little plastics push-ins towards the top. Sometimes, some of them do. There we go. There we go. Nope. Not back on. There we go. Forward a little bit and off. Yep, clips, tape, handle actuators. Oh, all right. Still got that's good. But that's all the mechanism there is to it, guys. I mean, this is as plain as gets. You got to put the stick ins. You got your inserts for your screws. Your inserts for your screws. Inserts for your screws. Yep. And you got the 2 little press ins here and here and here that go in that door panel. But other than that, bolts, change mechanism. It's very basic stuff, but while we got this apart, we're going to clean garbage and dirt dauber nests and speaker wires and probably weld them holes up. But that's pretty much all there is to it. There's not a lot of mechanicals involved. Now, I do have to change this out. This one is broke. That's gone. So we're going to have to get a new window or find a donor truck for the doors. But there isn't anything mechanically wrong with this. So we're just going to make the door panels look pretty again, and we're probably going to fix this. And I have an idea about something I might do just to blend that in and make that look nice. But basically, I might just actually put a speaker back in there. But we'll see. Well, there you go. That's how you dismantle a set of doors. Take everything apart so you can recolor and fix everything. And check out the next video, because the next video is going to be fixing those and making them look pretty again. Come see me for that one. So if you're still here, like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day. It's a great day today, meaning better day tomorrow. Y'all be good.